and for the oppression that they had to fight against, I tell you, even Africans in Africa were inspired, and it helped Africans in Africa to be able to stand against oppression as well. It helped Africans in Africa to be able to fight against colonization and free themselves from oppression. That's how far the African Americans inspired the world. And also, I also discovered that in 1860, African Americans achieved the abolition of slavery, and between 1954 and 1968, the civil rights movement to end the legalization of racial discrimination. This act greatly inspired Africans and the Black community all over the world to stand up against racial discrimination, colonization, and oppression. Thirdly, that was the second point. Thirdly, do you know that an African American in the name of Garrett A. Morgan created the first chemical relaxer in 1909, which led to the evolution of African Black race styling of their hair? So this is another part that African American have inspired and helped with the evolution of how Africans around the world wear their hair in the area of hair wearing. So African American developed this relaxer, which was after going through years of not being able to style their hair the way they wanted to because of the enslavement. In 1909, this man, Mr. Morgan, actually created this relaxer for African Americans to start embracing their natural hair and to be able to style and wear their natural hair in public the way they wish to. So African Americans have contributed greatly, and I think we have undervalued their contribution in the entire world. So I'm appreciating African Americans for their great contribution around the world. Thank you so much. We see you. Once again, I say we see you. You are all treasures. You have indeed inspired not just the African and Black community, but the entire human race around the world, because everyone is benefiting from it, living in America and living their dreams in America without legal racial discrimination. Thanks to you all. With this, I say thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you can watch more and more of my videos. And with this, I say take care of yourself. See you next time. Bye. Bye.